What if I told you that one dream nearly destroyed a family, but also saved a nation? This is the story of Joseph, a favored son, a fractured family, a gift of many colors, love made visible and envy waking. Joseph dreamed. Sheaves bowed to one, stars bent low, wonder met pride, or so they thought. Jealousy grew in the open sun, whispers sharpened into plans. He came seeking brothers. They answered with betrayal, thrown into a pit. Hope, a thin circle of light, a lie prepared. Silver spoke louder than mercy, sold into Egypt, a stranger in a vast empire, from favor to chains, but grace still worked. Dreams unlocked doors, a riddle none could solve. Joseph listened and spoke truth, plenty then famine, from prison to power. Hunger drove his brothers south. They bowed, unaware, not revenge, forgiveness. What others meant for harm, destiny turned to good.